Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss one more example on while control statement. Okay. Now suppose I want to display a number from 1 to 20 in reverse order. What I said, if I want to display a number from 1 to 20 in reverse order, means initially I want to display 20, then 19, 18 up to 1. Okay. If this is the case, then how to write this program using while loop. Okay. See, initially, just like our previous program, we have to define one variable, and initial value of variable must be 20. In this case must be 20. Okay, and then here we have to use while. We already what is syntax of while. In front of while we have to write a condition. Okay, see here initially we have to print value of n as 20, then 19, then 18. This we have to repeat until and unless value of n will not become 1. Okay, so in this case how to write condition for this is, here you have to write this condition in this way. See, n greater than equal to 1. Okay, and then you have to give colon, and finally here in the while loop you have to print value of n. Okay, and then decrement by 1, because after 20 we have to display 19, then 18, means here there is a difference of 1. That's why you have to write statement here like this: n is equal to n minus 1. Okay, now so what will happen after execution of this program is, initially value of n will become 20, then control will come here on while. It will just check whether 20 greater than equal to 1. Yes, true. So will come inside and will print n as 20. Then this statement will be executed, so new n will become 19. Okay, and then control will be again transferred to condition. So 19 greater than equal to 1, true, will print n as 19, then new n will become 18. So when value of n will become 1, at that time 1 greater than equal to 1, yes, true, will come inside, will print value of n as 1, and then new value of n will become 0 because of this decrement, and again control will transfer on condition. Now value of n is 0, so 0 greater than equal to 1, condition false, and when this condition false, then we all know that if this condition is false, then control will not come within the body of this while. So total numbers that we'll get will be 20, and we'll start with 20, then 19, then 18 up to 1. So let me execute this program. See here, we are getting value from 20 to 1. If I want to display like 20, 18, 16, 14 with difference 2, then in that case, instead of n is equal to n minus 1, here we have to write n is equal to n minus 2. Okay, you can verify your output. See here, 20, 18, 16, even you can make difference of 3. It depends on you. Okay, so here it may display 20, 17, 14 and so on. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.